I built the exact same automation in n8n and make.com. One took 12 minutes. The other took 47. And the faster one cost me triple over a year. By the end, you'll know which one to pick for your exact use case and a specific workflow where one platform flat out beats the other. Because the answer isn't the one everyone repeats on Reddit. There's a hidden pricing trap in Make that nobody warns you about until your invoice explodes. Make.com. Here's the exact test. Build a workflow that watches a Gmail inbox, extracts invoice data with GPT, and logs it to a Google Sheet. In Make, you drag the Gmail, watch emails module, connect an OpenAI module, map the fields visually, then drop a Google Sheets add row module. Drag, connect, done. 12 minutes, zero code, and it looks beautiful. This is why beginners love it. The visual builder is genuinely the best on the market. Now the trap. Make charges you per operation. Every single module run is one operation. That invoice workflow fires 4 operations per email. Get 500 invoices a month. That's 2,000 operations, fine. But scale to a real business, 50,000 emails, and you're burning 200,000 operations. That's the $34 a month plan gone, and you're staring at the $99 tier. Make gets expensive exactly when your automation starts matching. n8n. Same workflow. It took me 47 minutes the first time because the node setup is fusser. You add a Gmail trigger node, an OpenAI node, a Google Sheets node, and you actually configure the JSON mapping yourself. Steeper. But here's where it flips. n8n charges per workflow execution, not per operation. That same 50,000 email a month, one execution per email. Your operation count is irrelevant. Self-host it on a $5 DigitalOcean droplet, and it's basically free forever. Unlimited operations. That's the whole game. But this is where it gets weird. Speed of building isn't the metric that matters. Cost at scale is. And there's a third factor nobody mentions. What happens when your automation breaks at 2 a.m.? In Make, debugging means clicking through each module's execution history one bubble at a time. Fine for simple flows. In n8n, you get a full execution log with the exact data pass between every node, and you can rerun a single node without firing the whole chain. When you're building agents, Real multi-step AI agents that loop and make decisions. n8n's code node lets you drop in raw JavaScript anywhere. Make can't touch that. If you want to build something that sells, that's the difference between a toy and a product. So here's the actual decision. No fence sitting. Pick Make if you're non-technical, running under 10,000 operations a month, and you want it working today. The visual builder will save you real hours this week. Concretely, a client onboarding flow, form submission to Slack alert, to CRM entry, to welcome email. You'll ship that in under 15 minutes in Make. Pick n8n if you're building anything that scales, anything with AI agents, or anything you plan to charge money for. Yes, you'll spend a weekend learning it. But that same invoice workflow that costs $99 a month and Make cost you $5 in n8n forever. Over a year, that's over $1,000 back in your pocket for one automation. Run 10 and the math is obvious. Here's the move I actually recommend. Prototype and Make because it's fast, then rebuild your winners in n8n once they're proven and running at volume. Test cheap, scale cheaper. And the money angle, because this channel is about leverage. Agencies are charging clients $2,000 to $5,000 to set up these exact workflows. You just learn the platform that lets you deliver them at near zero cost. That margin is the business. Subscribe because tomorrow I'm building a complete AI invoice processing agent in n8n from scratch. The full JSON, every node, copy-paste ready. You want next step right now? Go spin up a free n8n cloud trial and build that Gmail to Sheet flow tonight. 15 minutes. Do it before you forget. See you tomorrow.